the change of national anthem. Nigeria will hate it. Some people say, okay, say what? Is that your priority? It's my priority. I agree with the National Assembly.
You know, when I told people to embrace politics in order to get what they are looking for, a lot of you don't understand what I'm saying. But I will keep explaining. I know that repetition calls for emphasis. Before we repeat it over and over, a lot of people will catch up with the idea or the truth we are saying. Early this year, the government, they said that they want to amend the constitution. And if anybody or group or community or state has anything they want the government to change, they should bring it. That is why people like us take advantage of it to submit proposal for boundary adjustment for the Igbo communities and New State and Yoma State. But so many of you don't understand this because you are not interested in politics. You don't look into it. Government is this, but you don't want to take advantages of the law. I know that the Nigerian government or the politicians are not obeying it, but there's a way you can play it and you will take advantage of it. Now all of you are clamoring that they are circulating the rumor that they want to change to regional government. But you don't know that that regional government is because somebody somewhere submitted the idea also. Just the way we submitted the New State and Yoma, that's how somebody submitted that one. In fact, the national anthem is another person's idea. This national anthem that we are complaining, somebody submitted it. And that person be like you, where believe say, maybe if we start singing the old national anthem, maybe Nigerians and politicians will start practicing the right thing. And Tinubu saw it and take over it and said, this is my priority now, I want to change it. And he changed it. When I say vote or demand for a political power, I know why I'm saying it. All of you are complaining, why did Tinubu change the national anthem? But all of you are still the one who believe there is power in the tongue. Now some of you still believe there is power in what you say. Now you know that the national anthem cannot change the politician and it can't make Nigeria good except you work it. But when we tell you, say, now your prayer or what we are saying about Nigeria does not determine how Nigeria works, you say no, that because we are wishing Nigeria bad, that's why we are not moving forward. Don't you see that you're hypocrites? How will a government finish 8 years without building a hospital? Because the politicians are like me and you, who believe there's a spiritual power to cure people. So if they build a hospital, who will not be curing people? You are complaining there's no security anywhere. How would the politicians build security measures for us when there are people like me and you who believe there's juju to protect people? So how can you be saying different thing and be expecting a different thing? It is only a fool that will keep doing the same thing. Even 50 years down the line, he's still doing the same thing and expecting a different result. See, and now, Asari is complaining. They have left him behind. Instead of you to fight and vote who has you in mind, who will think out of the box and do the necessary thing, who doesn't believe all this lie or spiritual power or that God they make person leader. So keep saying this thing until people learn, because 2027 is not far, it's here. And if you do not put the measures, don't come and tell me they rig election. This is where the problem always starts from. You start believing lies more than the truth. You see, you don't even need presidency to make you work. See Abia, despite all the problem they encountered last week, the man still working, still doing some jobs. That will tell you, if you have a good governor, you might not even be interested in the presidency. That political power there can change everything for you. Political power is stronger than all your spiritual powers joined together. I'm out of here, Joe.
What did Wike do for you? I want to come out frontal, direct. I don't want to go this. What did Wike do for you? That you want to follow Wike to the slaughter? That you want to follow Wike to Golgotha?